So I'll be showing you how to use your coconut oil to clean your face, to get rid of your makeup, and this is perfect because it's toxin free. You can either make your coconut oil or you use your coconut oil you use in the kitchen to cook for this. So you just take a little bit of the coconut oil and place in your palms and rub it together so that it gets warm, and then you just rub it over your face in a circular motion. This is the face washing method. You rub it around your face, like you massage your face. This also helps to improve blood circulation in your face. If you already have makeup on your face previously, you can put this coconut oil in a cotton swab and then clean around your face with the cotton wool and the coconut oil. Look at how much dirt that this cleanser pulls out of your skin. And once you just finish cleaning your makeup out, you can continue washing your face with oil. After washing your face, you go ahead with the washcloth, you dip it in warm water, and then you use it to clean out the oil from your face. This also acts like an opener of the pores, like it opens up your pores so that the coconut oil can penetrate into your skin and work better. So you just place the washcloth on your face for at least 45 seconds, at intervals. You place it for your face for 45 seconds. You have to squeeze out the water, of course, and then you place it on your face for 45 seconds, and then when it gets a bit cooler, you can dip it back in the warm water and then you place it over your face for 45 seconds. Now I'll just let you know the benefits of coconut oil as a cleanser. It helps to boost the protective skin barrier layers, trapping moisture inside and keeping your skin supple and hydrated. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that makes it beneficial for irritated skin or chapped skin. It also increases collagen production. This also helps to maintain firmness and elasticity of your skin. So this is for people that have like weak skin as a result of old age, and then their skin begins to form lines or wrinkles. So this is also good for your skin, and then it helps to lighten dark patches on your skin. But there are also downsides. So if you are allergic to coconut oil, this is not for you. If you also have like acne prone skin, this is definitely not for you as well. This treatment is not good for everybody. If you also have like you also have a weakened immune system, you shouldn't use this coconut oil because it also clogs pores, right? It can clog pores. If you are prone to acne, you want to avoid using coconut oil because it can clog your pores and then cause infection or fungal or bacterial infection. So this is not for you if you have oily skin. But I make all this kind of content on natural beauty, using natural products around us to achieve our beauty. If you like this kind of content, just give my video a thumbs up. Give my video a thumbs up and comment down below. Tell me if you found this tip helpful, if you've been using it, how long you've been using it, how your skin has been reacting to it. Is your skin dry skin to normal skin or oily? Let me know if you enjoyed this video. Once I'm done cleaning out my makeup and wiping down with the washcloth, I just go ahead with my organic coconut oil and then I apply it as a final layer before I go to bed. I just massage it around my face and it really works. So subscribe to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.